Such a cozy day, isn't it?
Here you go. Eat up while it's warm.
It looks delicious, thank you. Wow, can I have some more vegetables, please? Please, eat up, everyone. Here you are. Be careful, it's still warm.
It looks amazing. Thank you.
You know, this reminds me of the Sundays we used to spend at my grandmother's house.
Oh, really? I can see that.
It's nice to finally relax like this.
This stew is the best ever, Mom.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie.
The sound of the rain is so calming tonight.
It really is. Makes you feel safe and warm in here.
The rain sounds peaceful tonight, doesn't it?
Very peaceful. I'm glad we're all together. Are your eyes getting heavy, little one?
Just a little bit. The story is almost finished now.
It sounds peaceful tonight, doesn't it?
Yes. The rain always makes me feel safe indoors.